Guys, Neil from N.P. Detailing here. Hope you like my last video on the Jaguar. Today is Sunday. I'm absolutely shattered, tired, got to sleep a bit late, was tired anyway. 2 days of that Jaguar wiped me out basically. But today I'm working on a Suzuki 650. It's an older bike, it's a 1999 model, and this is what it looks like now. That's the decontamination process done on the bike. Now I just got to rinse it off and see what we're left with. Probably a load of grease and grime. So yeah, let's get to work. So today's bike is a GSXF 750 Suzuki, and I've just finished polishing it up. It's been sitting around for about a year. Customer came off, as you can see the damage on there. He got hit by a lorry. Luckily he's okay, he was stationary. So I polished his bike up for him because he loves his bike, so why not? Grease off the wheels. So all in all, this has taken me about 5 hours in total. Wash, decontamination, machine polish and sealant, as you can see there. water just beads, which is what we want. And it has started raining, and it'll be sunny in a minute, and then it'll be raining again. '99 model Suzuki. I've dressed all the trims as well with UV protection. They were grey, now they're blackish. Screen visors. So there you have it, another video detail on a Suzuki GSXF 750. So that's another bike. Summer's coming, so getting a lot more bikes now. Got 3 lined up, more videos coming your way. So don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, a like, add some comments down below. If you have some ideas on what products to use, give us a shout. Don't forget to check out the website, www.npdetailing.com, and I'm on Google as well, so if you know where to find me. So that's been washed, carbon cleaned, so it should run better now. It's been restricted because he hasn't got his full license yet, but hey ho. So yeah, subscribe, thumbs up, notification bell, most important. If you want to see more videos of mine, get notified when they're up. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next video.